Hello YouTube world, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Derek, better known as the Honey Badger. I'm coming to you today because I'm starting a new YouTube channel, Honey Badger Motorworks. I was a guy living in suburbia, and then I had a chance to move in downtown Chicago. I've enjoyed that visit down there. COVID has made me move away from there, back to suburbia. In doing so, I'm taking lemons, I'm gonna make lemonade. That's why I'm starting this channel. I love to teach, I love to wrench on things, so if you do the same, or wanna learn how to do the same, follow me. This channel is gonna be out there for those who wanna learn to be more mechanically inclined to work on anything, cars, boats, whatever you wanna work on. And in doing so, I wanna gather a community of people who are experienced as well as less experienced, and we learn together. I don't know everything. I'm just a guy who's worked on things all my life. Learned underneath my dad. Thanks, Dad. He taught me a lot of things. I've had a lot of great friends teaching me as well, and I hope I've passed a lot of things on to them as well. What are you gonna find on this channel? You're gonna find guidance on how to be a mechanic. What's a tool? How to use this tool? How do I work on my car? All these sort of things. I got this broken down boat that I found on Facebook Marketplace I wanna work on. Can I do it? Can I make it a project? I don't know where to start. As Honey Badger, I'd like to be your mentor and start your journey and help you along that path and show you where to start and also guide you into further projects that are more complex. And to me, knowing where to start and how to get going is half the battle. For those more advanced users out there, I'm diving right in. I got a serious project that's pretty nasty. It's gonna need a lot of work, and there's a lot of cool things coming up on the channel that are gonna help me work on that. We're going to talk about Badger University. I'm calling it the Badger Skills and Confidence Levels. I got 1 through 8, starting as a freshman, working way all the way up to PhD level of knowledge. Freshman, you're learning how to change the light bulbs in your car. PhD level, you're building your own car. I hope to gather all those up that have all different skill levels and confidence levels in mechanics and bring them together and mentor us all together and learn. I challenge you to teach me something, and I also hope I get to teach you as well. What are you gonna see on my channel? You're gonna see all sorts of projects. I'm gonna grab a lawnmower that needs to be repaired. I have a car that needs a lot of work. I'm gonna build a garage. Putting it together to show you the best way to do that, how I walk through the steps to get it done. I'll give you a little bit of food for thought so you can build your own garage. Is my garage huge? No. Is it a big, massive dream garage? No, it's not. But it's your standard suburban garage, 2-car stall garage. And I feel like it's a nice little garage for me. All right, what should you expect from me? I'm the Honey Badger. I'm always going to tell you the truth. You may not like what I tell you, or you may love what I'm telling you because I'm being bluntly honest. Keep that in mind if you ever see me sponsor anything. There's going to be 2 episodes a week. One's going to be educational. The second one's going to be a project. Inside that project, we're going to talk about the skill levels in the Badger University along those projects that we're working on. It's applicable to those people who are learning as well. You can watch and see where you can grow. Just because you don't understand it right now, you will in the future. I guarantee it. There's all sorts of stuff out there that I've already pre-recorded and they're going to start dropping out there on YouTube. I believe it's every Friday and every Tuesday I've got it scheduled right now. If you guys want to see something different, please let me know. First episode that's going to come out is show those people who don't know how to use their owner's manual and never even heard of a repair manual. We're going to walk through that. In addition to the garage build, we got all sorts of stuff planned. They're going to start dropping out there on YouTube on a consistent basis. That's what I promise you is I want to provide consistent content. I'm not going to be one of these guys that shows up once a week or once a month. First part of the journey is I got to go out and see my dad. We're going to grab my tools and I'm going to drive him back to Iowa. That's part of the journey. After that, we're going to go from there. Hey guys, it's Honey Badger, just checking in. This is actually a father-son project that we've worked on over the last year or two. My dad and I. It's like we're enjoying it. Great project. We're currently working on the clutch. We can't get it quite adjusted the way we want, but we're narrowing in on some things and figured out why. We can build the whole engine, but not get the clutch to work, so we're struggling with that, but we'll figure it out. There's another shot of the bike. Kind of a little. We just finished this bike up not too long ago, about, well, it's February. We finished it, but then with COVID, we're kind of struggling with it, not being able to come visit. And we got a few things, a little leak off the fork shock there. Probably got to chase that down. Not too big deal with that. Other than that, this bike's come out really well. We're happy with it. During the COVID thing, Dad's been working on this engine, CB750, kind of completely rebuilt it. Found a lot of issues from the previous owner, so that's our project for today. We're gonna stuff that in the frame, put it back together, then put it on a sail block to get it moving off to the next project. And there's both sides of it there, so yep, another good project from Dad. Morning guys, Honey Badger checking in. Just starting my long trip out to Iowa. Just picked up a bunch of tools, all the stuff I had at my dad's house when I was not needing them, so we stored at my dad's house. Lots of tools in the back for all the upcoming projects. Looking at about 23 more hours, maybe 22 more hours of driving. I've been on the road for about 3 hours now, maybe a little bit over that. Got my audiobooks, I got my feed, my sunflower seeds, I got my snacks and water. I'll give you an update later. Peace out guys, thanks. Hey guys, just checking in. Cruising through Las Vegas right now. Here's a Las Vegas trip. Traffic's going well, moving along well. Should be out of the state soon. Been on the road for about right around 6 hours now. Going well. Second gas stop taken care of. Beat my sunflower seeds, taking care of the boredom. Other than that, it's all going well. Check in with you guys later. Well guys, this is a look at the disgust. Everything is going well until we got to about Mesquite, Nevada. And now we're down to 1 lane, 5 miles an hour, 6 miles an hour, just creeping along here. Oh well, I guess it's the price you pay for progress. Afternoon guys, making my way through. I just got into Colorado, had to stop for some gas, get myself a little Fanta, a little energy. Got one more tank and then I'm done. I'm gonna run this tank out and then stop for the night. We'll see where that ends up. I'm not too sure where that'll be. Hopefully it'll be on the other side of Denver so I don't have to deal with the weather and the traffic tomorrow morning. So peace out, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, just continue the drive in Colorado on the western side of Colorado. I'm probably gonna stop in Fort Morgan tonight, but we'll see how it goes. Just a continued boring ride. And listen to my audiobooks from Audible. If you've never done them, check them out. Alright, it's a joyous morning. I was really nervous about the tools being in here all night long, but as you can see, they're still there. Nobody touched the van. Everything's good, so oh joy. Alright guys, just stopped at my favorite Loves. Just off the freeway. I just talked to you about leaving the hotel. Thought I'd stop a little longer after driving, but I got hungry and Loves was here, so I got some fuel. Looks like it took about 13 gallons to get in there, 13.8. I can't tell you how excited I am to start this adventure. I got a lot of stuff pre-recorded, therefore you guys have some consistent content. I'm going to try to put things out on every Friday and every Tuesday. If you guys want something different, put that down in the comment section for me so I can adjust it accordingly. So you're probably thinking, this guy is going to teach me how to be a mechanic. What's the catch? Honestly, there's no catch. I love to teach. I love to work on things. The only thing I ask is hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and keep watching. If you want to know when things are going to come out, check out my Twitter account, my Instagram account, and I even got a TikTok account for those younger people out there. I asked for that because my editor, Josh, great shout out to Josh. He's a great guy, but he doesn't eat for free, and neither does his dog. So that's how I'm gonna make some money off of this to help pay for Josh. I can't tell you how excited I am to start this adventure. I hope you join me. Let's get going.